All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 23,000 miles, I want to say. AM, FM stereo system. You got power windows, power door locks. You got backup camera. Front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty decent. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tires right here. This over 730 seconds. This door looks okay. This quarter here, as you can see, does have several dents. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. You see them definitely there. Some over there, as you can see. And as we're turning, you can see more dents. Some more dents here and heavy scratches. You can see them. This is not rocket science, and you guys know what you're looking at. So there you go. All right, these corners look pretty decent. Here's your your rear driver's side steel wheel, and your tires that is over 730 seconds. Keep it moving. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out the pictures for more details. All right, I believe the owner's manuals are still wrapped up. Get your AM, FM stereo system right here. You get your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Pow! This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, there it does have tire pressure light on, and for some reason I can't find what door is open, but there is a door open in this car. I keep slamming the doors. I don't know what's going on, so that's another issue. 23,154,000 miles. All right, keep it moving. Show you guys some of the other stuff. Rear bumper looks okay. There's a couple of dent there, a little dent there, another little dent there. Typical. Got a couple of dents here. That's about it. Let me crawl up here first before I open these doors. All right. Your roof looks pretty good. Yeah. Roof looks pretty good. I don't see any damages back here. All right, let me open this door. The heavy scratch there, as you can see it. All right, this is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Real well molded. It's got a couple of dings and dents on them, just like in this one as well. All right, this is what one of your doors looks like. Boom. A bunch of dents here. It's got a dent here and here. And again, you guys follow me. These this is from overweighing the door, overstuffing your cargo area, and then you can't close the doors. This pushes it all in. This door looks pretty decent. Does have some dents right there as well. Again, for the same reason. This must be the door. There we go. All right. This quarter here does have some dents, as you can see them. Multiple. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. This door, we got some dents here on the sliding door. Heavy scratch here. A dent right here. Boom. So that looks like the side cargo area, and what that looks like. Very nice. This looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. No tire thread. This over 730 seconds. The lights are on, car is working, things are beautiful, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 23,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.